Welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video, everyone. Today we are going to do a pumpkin ghost salsa. You heard it right. Let's go. We'll start with a medium-sized pot. To that, we're going to be adding 2.5 cups of fresh diced pumpkin. Now you can find this in stores if it's the right time of year. Otherwise, you just have to go ahead and remove the seeds, the skin, and the membrane from a pumpkin and chop it up. Next is 2 cups of fresh diced tomato, 1 diced tomatillo, 3/4 cup of chopped yellow onion, 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 cup of water. Now it's time to bring the heat and the flavor with our habanero and ghost sauce. We're going to add about 1/2 ounce. Give it a quick stir and get it on the stove for about 15 to 20 minutes on a low simmer until everything is nice and tender. Then blend it up to your desired consistency, and once you've allowed it to cool, it's time to serve it up and enjoy. Till next time, don't forget to kick up all your recipes with the king of flavor. We'll see you on the next one.